We are adding an internal rechargeable battery to our 1014D. The display shows battery percentage at any time. The battery we have used works well as it knows when to close down when the 1014D is switched off to save power. It will power up when the 1014D is switched on. Note, not all power packs offer this feature. Ours is a 5000 mAh which offers about 4 hours use. This shows the battery with wires fitted. The outside connector is connected to a socket inside which connects to a USB-C male connector. Cover the wires with heat shrink sleeving. Connect the positive and negative wires to the USB-C male connector. See the battery with all wires connected input and output to the 1014D input power connector. Drill a hole. Use Velcro to stick the battery in the correct position. Move the battery around till it looks okay, so you see the display through the hole.